How to make money online. In today's video, we're going to talk about ways to make money online even with no experience in a specific field of expertise. Earning money online gives you the freedom to work from home or from anywhere in the world. You can set up your working office anywhere, you just need a laptop and a good internet connection. Though it will take some effort and time, to begin with, if you are consistent and put serious effort into honing your skills, then you will be able to earn a considerable amount every day. Transcription. If you have good typing speed, then transcription jobs can be the answer to your question on how to make money online. In this work, you have to listen to different audio recordings and write them down. It can be anything ranging from teaching class to a story. You can start by posting a gig on websites like Fiverr.com, where you can find transcription jobs to earn money online. These jobs easily pay $20 or more per hour. After taking a few jobs and receiving some reviews, your efficiency will increase and you can increase your prices as well. The most difficult part will be to get your first client, so make sure to write a good description for your gig in order to attract clients. Translation. If you know more than one language, then you can turn this skill into money very easily. With the increase in globalization, there is always a need for translators to fill in the communication barriers, and there are a lot of people out there searching for some help. You can offer your services as a translator and earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour. When you got some experience and got regular clients, then you can increase your prices. You can even learn new languages that pay high rates. It will be fun to learn a new language as well as it will increase your earnings. You can start by posting an ad on websites like Speak.com, where you can find translation jobs to earn money online. Video editing. If you have editing video skills, then you can edit videos of others to earn money online as a beginner. For this, you'll just need a computer and free editing software and you'll be up and running. There are thousands of people creating content for YouTube, and not all of them know how to make videos look professional. So, you can edit videos for YouTube channels or for people that want to have a nice video memory with the videos they have on their phones. They need the services of people like you who can make their videos look better. You can charge money on per hour basis or per project for your service. Rates will vary from $20 to $100 based on your experience and the work required. You can start by posting an ad on websites like freelancer.com, where you can find plenty of offers to earn money online. If you've seen the video so far, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. Photo editing. Photo editing is another way where you can use your creativity to earn money online as a beginner. To start, you can just help people to remove the background of their photos by using free software like remove.bg. People need photos that stand out for various reasons. Some want very well done personal photos, while most of the requirements in this field come from professionals who want nice photos for their social media accounts such as Facebook or Instagram. They need perfect photos to stand their brand better than the competition. If you can edit photos to make them look good, then you are in for some easy money. You can charge money on per hour basis or per project for your service. Rates will start from $30 based on your experience and the work required. You can start by posting an ad on websites like Upwork.com, where you can find plenty of offers to earn money online. Flip stuff online. You can earn pretty handsome money by flipping items of value that you can find for lower prices on Facebook Marketplace or other local marketplaces within your location. If you are good at finding bargains, then you can easily make money by buying items at cheap prices and selling them online at a higher price for profit. You can use websites like eBay or even Facebook Marketplace for selling these items. You'll need to have patience in order to find some good offers, or maybe you are a natural negotiator and you can obtain a very good price on everything. You can use your native language or your English language to make easy money online as a beginner by teaching kids or adults. There is a very high demand for English teachers for kids in non-English speaking countries such as China. They want their kids to know good English from childhood so that they can take benefit from the global economy. You can start by posting an ad on websites like Preply.com, where you can find plenty of offers to earn money online. You can easily make $30 or more per hour by teaching other people in your free time. Affiliate marketing. Affiliation marketing is very often associated with blogging, but you can make money online as a beginner in affiliated marketing without owning a blog. Affiliate marketing means you are redirecting a potential customer to a business in order to buy a product or a service. You will get paid for a lead such as sign up, or you will get the percentage of the sale amount. You can promote business on your social media such as Instagram and Facebook. If you have a decent number of followers, then you can make good money. That is how most influencers make money online. Many people make money online on Pinterest without followers by sharing pins regularly with affiliate links. You can start by creating an account on the Amazon Affiliates program where you can find plenty of offers to share. Flip websites for money. Many people have made a lot of money by flipping domains in the past. There were not many websites present on the net, so people used to buy domain names, and when businesses with similar names look for domains, they sell them at higher prices. Now there are very few such options available. You can buy a few domains if you think there will be demand for them in the future, as it costs only a few dollars, and even if one of them sells you can make good profits. Another option is by flipping functional websites. You can buy small websites and work on them for a few months and sell them at higher prices. A website generally sells at 2 to 4 times the annual revenue. If you can increase the revenue, you can make good profits. Flippa.com is the website you can use to sell or buy websites or domains. Choose the websites you think you can sell later or improve with your expertise. There will be many potential buyers because people don't want to start from scratch, as it takes too much time. Thank you for watching. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel, and in the comment section below let us know what you think about this video.